let's make a magnesium spray for armpit health. Now, very simple recipe, easy to adjust. If you feel like your natural deodorant isn't going as far as you like, this is a great step to add prior to using your deodorant to ensure that you are eliminating odor and absorbing more odors and oils and any excess. Now, you want to start with purified water or distilled water because you're trying to take toxins away and not add them. Just 1 cup. And here's the thing, you're going to want to use a clay. You can just use magnesium, but it's not going to give you everything you need. You need a clay. And what kind of clay you use, as long as it's a white clay or even charcoal works, something to absorb. And you can just use a tablespoon of this. And the key to this is that you want it to absorb well. So you could warm the water if you need it to, but I'm just going to make sure to stir it really well to get all of the clay absorbed. The type of magnesium you use should be the flakes or a glycinate. You can get this from Bulk Apothecary, you can get it from Amazon. Should be pretty inexpensive. The great thing about magnesium is it's going to take you far. As a supplement, it's so awesome. You only need a teaspoon for this recipe. And even a 1/4 teaspoon in water 3 times a day is going to just up your hydration levels to the max. This is what coats your cells to bring in the hydration. You need magnesium. And then you're going to take a teaspoon of salt, okay? It could be sea salt, any natural salt works. Ooh, making a mess. I'm in the lab today. And blend. You're going to end up with almost like a slurry kind of solution. It is thick. That's because of the clay. Any essential oil will do if you want to boost the effect again. Now, I'm going to use manuka oil because it has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. But if you have tea tree oil, that will work great. Frankincense, a host of oils. If you need some oil suggestions or if you have some you want to ask me about, just ask me in the comments. And then I want to add something to give it a better smell than just manuka, which is a little medicinal. So geranium oil will work for that. If you feel like your spray bottle isn't going to handle this, feel free to add just a little bit more water, even like a 1/4 cup.